Alright, so this is the fix to your Xbox One power brick when it doesn't come on. So what you want to do is you want to already have it plugged in. It's the orange light fix. When it turns on, when you try to turn it on, it just doesn't come on, as you can see. It doesn't come on. So what you want to do is have it like this. Take it out. Take it out. See, you see that green light? You want to slide it in. So as soon as you see that green light, just stop. As soon as you see the green light. That's what's headed. As you can see, the green light just came on. I'm gonna turn it on. Okay, the green light is on now. So now, the Xbox One has been powered on. There you go. I can do it again if y'all want me to show you. Show you this is not fake. What I'm gonna do is grab it, shove it in. It's little, just about right there. Turn it on again. There it is. It's on, same power brick and everything. Alright, please subscribe and like.